Commercial Bank is a 105-year-old bank, originally set up to cater to trade needs of the country's yesteryear. The bank carries a legacy and reputation for trade specialization. Combank TradeLink is Combank's digital trade platform, designed to streamline and manage import and export transactions efficiently. It enhances trade finance operations by providing real-time visibility, automating processes, ensuring secure transaction management. Businesses can track their transactions, receive notifications, and access a range of trade finance products, reducing manual effort and processing time. It's also a significant step demonstrating our commitment to ESG. Well, on import products, import letters of credit, import collection documents, shipping guarantees and advance documents, open account payments, advance payments, and letters of guarantee. On export products, export letters of credit and export collection documents. Combank TradeLink enhances efficiency and security through many facets. Real-time status updates and notifications, where businesses can monitor transactions in real time, reducing delays and uncertainties. Personalized templates. By this, speeds up processing by minimizing manual data entry, saving time and effort. Multi-level authorization workflows ensures secure approvals and compliance with organization policies. Document management system allows business to upload, view, and manage trade-related documents securely. Automation and reduce manual work. This minimizes errors and accelerates processing, leading to faster trade execution. Combank TradeLink stands out due to end-to-end digital trade management, a fully digitalized platform that eliminates paperwork and manual intervention. Seamless user experience, which provides personalized templates to our customers, and intuitive interface, making trade transactions simple and faster. Multi-tier security, secure workflows with multi-level authorization, providing robust protection. Comprehensive product offering, which supports a wide range of trade finance instruments, catering to both importers and exporters. Scalability for businesses of all sizes, whether a small enterprise or a large corporate. The platform adapts to business needs. The trade offerings were crafted carefully, deploying internal and external expertise in consultation with our customers, thereby understanding their requirements to package and advance capabilities going beyond their expectations, while importantly keeping to compliance and security standards. We consider it timely to introduce international trade conveniences as the forerunner, with many more digital business solutions to follow. With TradeLink, the bank addresses growing demand for digital trade finance solutions in an increasingly globalized economy. As business seeks faster, more secure, and paperless trade processes, the platform helps to reduce administrative overheads with automated workflows, gain competitive edge by accelerating trade transactions. With digital transformation reshaping trade finance, Combank TradeLink ensures business stays ahead of industry trends. It's a simple process. Register with Combank TradeLink by submitting the duly filled application. Set up user access authorization levels. Configure multi-level workflows for secure transactions. Once you enroll with Combank TradeLink, you can start submitting trade business requests and receive communication and notification from the bank through the digital platform. We warmly welcome you to onboard for a rewarding experience that would drive your business in speed and efficiency.